So hot.
Who wants kikiam, fishball, and squid balls at my fresh buko. Merienda tayo, guys. Ayan. Kain.
Smoky sweet sarap na juicy lang. Walang sarap ng weather ngayon. Malamig na may araw pa din ba? Huh?
It's weird.
It's weird? What's weird? The trees. Does it look weird? Some don't have leaves, no?
No.
Yeah. So punta tayong Burnside kasi sa Uniqlo kung gusto bumili ng jacket. Ang galing kasi meron tayong malapit na Uniqlo. Yung isang Uniqlo kasi na mas malapit before dumating yung Uniqlo sa Burnside is yung sa Randall Mall. Hindi na kami masyadong pumupunta doon. Napaka-busy. Tsaka yung parking. What was this? Alam ko na pala kung yung bukas to. Ay, hello. What color jacket are you gonna buy? Black or blue or green? I think they have green, yeah.
Not green.
You don't want a green jacket? You want a black one? Black lang siguro para magamit ng inyo. Dito na kami sa elevator. As usual, ang busy na naman. Ang dami na namang tao. Friday morning to ha. Hindi pa natapos ang kabisi. Diretso tayo Uniqlo. Hinahin natin yung kailangan natin.
Today is Saturday, June 21, 2025. All paperwork and had 3 clients, plus 3 rush compliances. We just finished at around 11:50 in the evening. I will just continue it tomorrow cause I know I can't finish it all.